Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can export your project in the CapCut PC. So if you already done your edits and you want to save or export it, here's what you need to do. Click on the export button at the top, this blue button here. Okay, so in here, this will be the preview. You can also edit the cover of your project. You can change the title and you can also change the export path to know where the video will be saved. Okay, and before you export, there are also exporting settings that you can adjust. You can change the resolution up to 4K quality. You can change the bit rate, the fps, and also you can if your video has audio on it, you can also export only the audio file by clicking on this checkbox here, and when you're done you can just click on export. Okay, after that just wait until the exporting process is finished, and that's it. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on a thanks. Bye.